Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So look at this. A little gold envelope has popped through the door. Don't you just feel special when something like this arrives and it has your name on it? And it says, thank you for supporting my small business. Absolutely wonderful. You can't miss that, can you? The postman's not going to lose that one. And this has been sent to me. It's an Etsy order that I did from one of my lovely YouTubing friends, Crafting with Kay. So yeah, do go and check out Kay's YouTube channel. She is trying to get to her 1,000 subscribers. I think she's on nearly 600. So do go and support her. She has a lovely little daughter as well that sometimes features in a video. For the last sort of 4 years that we've been friends, we've been watching her little daughter grow up. She does have a nickname of Pickle, so it always makes me laugh. But she's a gorgeous little girl, and her hubby as well takes part sometimes, so do go and support her, as I say. And she's started her own little business on Etsy. So obviously I want to support my friends, so I have put a little order in. Oh, look at this. How posh is that? Wonderful. So thank you very much, Kay. I'll put her Etsy shop details as well. She has started making her own putty or wax or whatever you like to call it for putting into your diamond painting pens, which brilliant. And as I say, I do like to support my friends, anybody that's starting small businesses, and give them a try. So we've got this lovely lilac coloured bag. Look at that. And we've got some sweets. I do keep all my little bags as well. Never know when you might just have something you need to put as a little present in there, or keep it as a present for yourself. So we've got some fizzers, which we used to call swizzles, but I think they're the same thing. So very nice. I think hubby will be pinching these. We have a lollipop, which matches everything. Very good. We have some stickers. So we've got a paw print. Oh, we had to have a paw print for Millie Moo. So thank you very much for the stickers. So we've got a paw print. We've got some love hearts. Look a little bit like glasses, don't they? I quite like glasses like that. And we have a little mermaid, look, with hearts as earrings. Excellent. So thank you for the stickers as well. This is Kay's little business card. So you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, Crafting with Kay. And we've got the email address there. And what's that? Oh, Embrace the Love. Isn't that wonderful? A nice business card. And it's this lovely orange as well, which is great for this time of year. And then her other side, her Etsy shop, is Kays Cuppa Putty. So that's a really good name, Cuppa Putty. And we've got a little QR code there as well. So I'll hold that still. Look, if you want to scan the QR code and have a look at the shop, it should take you there. And then find my scented putty at the wonderful Diamond Painting Fanatics. So yeah, Cindy Michelle has her own diamond painting company and a YouTube channel as well. Diamond Painting Fanatics. So you can buy Kay's product from there, or you can go to Etsy. Maybe if you are ordering from Diamond Painting Fanatics, just go and check out Kay's putty on there as well and add that into your order. So excellent. Yeah, I've done an unboxing on Diamond Painting Fanatics on Cindy's diamond painting, so you can check that out. It's in my playlist. Okay, so what I've ordered, because I didn't know what to get, and she's got lots of different ones on the Etsy shop to try, is a mystery pack, and it was £9 for 3 different ones. So I thought, oh, well, we'll give it a try. So we have, what has she sent us? Oh, peel here to see the name. Do not eat. Keep out of reach of children. For diamond painting pens only. Contains essential oils, putty and mica powders. Okay, so we have to peel these off to see which ones we've got. So let's see if we can get this peeled. Oh, this is fun. Oh, so we've got strawberry blossom. Okay, right, strawberries. So let's have a... I haven't particularly got a sense of smell, but yeah, these, oh, that is definitely strawberries. I can taste that. But look at the colour of that. Isn't that wonderful? So we've got like pale green and the pink. And we have just got a little bit of hot pink in the corner. Yay! So that's great. So these are the mystery pack ones, just to give it a try. So there are lots on the website, so you do need to just pop and check those out. So that's Blossom Strawberry. I'm a sucker for a mystery pack, I have to say. Anything that's mystery, I do like to look. So this one has a green label. So let's peel here to see what this one is. Oh, Tropical Breeze. Oh, I could definitely do with the Tropical Breeze today. It's been a little bit dark and dull in the UK. So again, do not eat, and the same warning on the little packet. I love these with the ombre colour there, look. Going from the pale purple to the darker purple. These are really pretty. And you can actually see what you've got on the other side, look, as well. They've got a little window on the other side. Ooh, very good. I like these packets. Okay, so let's see what this one is. See what colours we've got on this one. So this is, oh, this one's orange, look, and green and blue. Liking that. Okay, so yep, to use in your pens. Quite a bit there, so you'll be able to use it for quite a while. I tend to taste things rather than actually smelling them. I'm probably not the best person to be demonstrating these. Sorry, Kay, but I did just want to get them and show them. I should have had hubby here with me. Maybe Billy Mo could smell them. But yeah, I wanted to see the colours and see what I'd get, but that's excellent. Okay. And that will last a long time as well if you're just using your single placer like I do. So yeah, Tropical Breeze. Oh, I could just sail away to a tropical island at the moment. Okay. And the next one has got a green label on it as well. So let's see what this one is. Ooh, chocolate orange. Oh, my favourite. I love chocolate oranges. So yeah, I did try making some chocolate orange fudge last year and it just went disastrously wrong, so I ended up just eating it with a spoon. It was very, very sickly. I won't be doing that again. So let's have a look at the colours on this one. What have we got? Ooh, look at that. Oh, very retro colours. So we've got like a beigey colour and an orange and like a winter white colour. And then a little bit sort of orangey brown there. So, oh, that's definitely chocolate. I can definitely sense the chocolate there on that one. Oh, yeah, I've definitely got a nose for chocolate. So they're excellent. And as I say, I do like to support my friends. So yeah, if you've got a small business you want me to have a look at your items, then do let me know. Oh, we've got an extra free gift here as well. So yeah, oh, look at that. Oh, look, always come in handy. Some crystals there. So, yeah, your standard little silver crystals. Excellent. You can always come in handy. I've always got some, wherever I'm diamond painting, I always have a little packet of these just in case. Great for highlights and things. So, yay! Excellent. That's a wonderful little package, Kay. Thank you ever so much. So she has got lots on the website, so do go and check those out. Kay does video her packaging her orders up as well, and I do believe that there is one of her packaging up my order, but I didn't want to watch it before I opened it because I like surprises. Hey, well, just a quick little video just of my little purchase, as I say. Do go and check out Crafting with Kay on YouTube and Kays Cuppa Putty on Etsy. I'll say put links down below so that you can go and check them out yourself. And yeah, let's try and get Kay to 1,000 subscribers because she's been working hard to get there. So yeah, and it's always that magic number to get to. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. If you have, a thumbs up is always very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family, see what we get up to next, and we'll use some of these putties and have a go at diamond painting with them, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell next to it, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out. So you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.